Hello everyone, I'm Meenakshi and I'm from Eduranch and I'm studying in grade 9. Today we will be completing the latter part of number and symbol coding under coding and decoding. So we'll just have recap of our last video, which is there are three types of coding: number or symbol coding, letter coding and decipher coding. Under number and symbol coding, we have again three parts: direct coding, relationship with the position of letters in English alphabet as per the given set of rules. We finished direct coding in our last video. Today we'll be finishing the latter parts of number and symbol coding and we'll be completing number and symbol coding. So here is our first example of the next type, relation with position of letters in English alphabet. So just like as the type says, with relation with the in relation with the English alphabets. So the numbers will be related with the English alphabets here. Like 1 will be A, 2 will be B, 3 will be C, 4 will be D, 5 will be E, and so on, and 26 will be Z. Now, so this is the relation we are going to follow in this example, but whenever we have to solve such kind of problems, obviously we are not going to write from A to Z. So there is a word we need to remember this to remember all the 26 letters and their 26 alphabets and their position. It's ejoti and it's in the relation 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it's in the 5 table, so you can remember it easily. Now coming to the example, here it is said that tears is coded as 63. So T is 20 and E is 5. We have then A. A is the first letter 1. R will be 18. Since T is 20, so 20 minus 2 will go backwards, so it will be 18. And S is 19. Since after R, S comes, so just one letter, so 19. So if we calculate this, 20 plus 5 plus 1 plus 18 plus 19, we are going to get 63. So this is the relation. Now, next they have asked us to do the same for blood. So B is the second letter, so 2, L. Now O is 15, so L will be 12. O is 15, so 15 plus 15, I write 30 directly. And then D is 4. So when we calculate, we find 2 plus 12 plus 30 plus 4 is it is 48. Yes, it's 48. So our correct answer is C. So blood will be coded as 48. Next, move on to the next example of this type. Next is, in a certain code, loop is coded as 50. How will sweat be coded as? So again, we will remember our word to remember all the 26 alphabets in the relation with the words. Joti. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we'll see loop. So L is L is 12 plus O is 15. So 15 plus 15, 30. plus P is, so after O, P comes, so P will be 16. So when we will add, we will get 8, 58, but it says 50. So there's a different relation here. So it's not how we've done in the earlier sum. In English alphabet, the numbers and the alphabets can also be related backwards. Like 26 will be A, 25 will be B, 24 will be C, 23 will be D, 22 will be E, and so on. So 1 will be Z, 2 will be Y. So according to this relation, if we see L, so to remember the alphabets backwards, we again have another letter, just like we have for remembering it forward, we have Ijoti, we also have it for backward. It is B, G, L, Q, V. So B is 25, this is 20, 15, 10, and 5. You can't pronounce this, but you can remember these letters, just 5 letters. So according to this relation, now we will check out for loop. Loop will be 15. O is 12. So 12 plus 12 will do directly 24. Then P is 11. So which is 50. So this relation is right. Now for sweat, we will follow the same since our relation matches for loop, so also for sweat it will match. So sweat is 8 is S is 8, W is 4. Oh, got to add the eight plus 4. E is 22. A is 26, first letter. T is 7. So when we calculate, we will get the answer 67, and our correct answer is B. Now, for every sum, you always have to find out which relation will work out, the backward relation or the forward relation. It's not like you will get to know by seeing the question. You have to do trial and error method and find from both the methods. Next is, now we'll move on to the next type. As per the given set of rules, so just like it is set in the type, they will give us rules and we have to follow accordingly. So first here, they have given us some letter and the code for that letter. So according to them, M is 7, N is 4, P is 9, V is 3, and we have till J. So if you have noticed, there are exactly 10 letters, 10 numbers. So they have given the code for us from 0 to 9. So we have the code for all the numbers between 0 to 9, including 0 and 9. Then we have some extra conditions, that is, if the first and last letter are vowels, then they will be coded as @. If the first and last letter are consonants, then they will be coded as and. So now let's move on to our examples. So we have 3 examples here and we have 3 problems here, and we have to solve them according to our according to the rules they have given us. So we don't have to find out anything because they have given us the rules. So it's going to be easier. So let's find the number code for this before checking the conditions. P is 9, V is 3, N is 4, and then 7, 6, 8. So the same answer is there, C option. So it is correct. You can always check the others. Now, why is this not the answer? And? So and is for consonants. Yes, the last two letters are consonants, but the middle words are not coded correctly. So B is wrong. Then last one is consonant, but they have given as vowels. So this is wrong. And this is wrong because both are shown as vowels, but we have consonants and not vowels. So the only answer is C. Now next is K and ULJV. For K it is 6, N is 4, U is 8, L is 5, and J is 0, and V is 3. We do not have the number code for this one because here it's 9, but it should be 5, so it's wrong. No, it's not the answer. Again, we have a number code, but here it should be 3, but here it's 2, so it's wrong. Now, we have to check whether it's a vowel or consonant. K is not a vowel, so this is also wrong. So the only answer left is A, so our answer is A. Now for the next sum, we have IRJKUP. We can see that the first letter is a vowel and the last is a consonant. So by seeing that one is vowel and last is consonant, we can tell that D is the answer. But still we are going to check just in case. This is definitely not the answer because none of the letters are repeated. And if we have to check whether the other two are answers, then we have to solve it. So I is 2, R is 1, J is 0, 6, 8, and T is 9. Okay, this is not the answer because it shows both are vowels, but one is vowel and one is consonant. Now here, these two letters are not right, so this is also not the answer. So our answer is this, since it shows one is vowel and one is consonant. So we have completed our number and symbol coding, the first type of coding and decoding. If you have any doubts regarding any of the types I have discussed till now, then you can comment in the comment section, and thank you.